Number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7. The T7 is often considered more of a bare-bones beginner camera because it lacks a lot of high-tech features of new camera, especially in 2024. Now, this may seem bad, but not at all. For someone just starting out, the T7 offers a great balance between affordability and quality. With its 24-megapixel CMOS sensor, you can expect high-resolution images with great detail and clarity. Its 9-point AF system and AI Servo AF feature make it super easy to capture shaky or moving subjects with speed and precision. No matter if you're taking portraits, landscapes, or action shots, the Rebel T7 will deliver great results. Moreover, with its built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology, you can easily transfer your photos to your smartphone for quick sharing on social media. The Canon T7 also has an extremely durable build and an optical viewfinder with 95% viewing coverage, making it feel like a more expensive camera. Its 3-inch LCD screen lets you easily review your images and navigate through settings. But that's not all. The T7 DSLR camera is also compatible with the Canon EF mount lenses, giving you a wide range of options to choose from when it comes to upgrading your lens. And with a price tag under $500, the T7 is definitely a steal for those just starting out in photography. So, if you're looking for a beginner-friendly DSLR camera that delivers stunning results, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is the way to go.